today is waiting with its adventure, learning, and enthusiasm. So let's start our day.
Hello guys. So today I wake up very late. It's almost 11, and right now we have to go to at 12. We have to go to Abhinav, not for the dance practice, to give this parcel to somebody, and but just before that I always try to start my morning with a book, by reading a book, and this is Elon Musk by Ashley Vance. It is one of the best books, and Elon Musk is one of the most inspiring guy for me. It is one of my biggest inspiration. Not one of, it is my the biggest inspiration, and I try to start my morning with a good book. It is one of the best way to start your morning. It because actually in the morning your brain is just like a sponge, and it start absorbing. Okay, so first I'll read few pages of this book, then I will meet you guys. Okay, I'll meet you in few minutes. Bye. Oh, so it's 12 and we have to deliver this parcel. I've read the book. Crazy book, I think. The whole book, the whole concept of that book, the Elon Musk book, is he is very inspiring guy. Know his craft very much, and know his craft very well. And another thing is his crazy work ethics and the commitment he have within himself. That's quite crazy. So I've learned this from that book, from those pages which I have read. I am keep reading the book and I will tell you. So we have to deliver this. So हम निकल चुके हैं. So we have reached to our destination. Bye bye. हाँ सर. Okay.
यार सौदा सौदा
कोई जो मिला तो मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि अरे करियो बना अनाया एक बार अनाया बच्चा शाद कितना प्यारा. बाय. ओए create camera.
All the joy, time to get back to work.
Record here. Oh my.
ये YouTube से कहाँ पहुंच गया? नहीं, हम क्या कर रहे हैं अपनी जिंदगी के साथ? अभी मैं और मेरा भाई चिल्ला रहे थे, इसने मुझे चिल्ला के बुलाया है। मम्मी यही चाहिए मुझे भी। So I had today was the another great day, very inspiring, motivational, very great day. I don't know what to say actually, and today was very good. I've learned a lot of things. One of them, I've just I've just ended up doing an SEO, a local SEO for somebody, and I was just seeing. I don't usually saw that what reality show called Big Boss, but today I've seen it. It's quite great. It's actually kept your attention, and being a human, you actually learn from that Big Boss that you actually have a very evil side. Most of the people try to act like divine people, but they are actually, at the end of the day, we all are human. We actually quite enjoy fights and all, and I really don't know that why that happened, but yeah, it just kept my attention because it's very fun to see different personalities together and what they are bringing in the table. And it's actually uh, but it's actually very important to mention this, that how they was before coming to that reality show, and after that in their real life, when they are not in the observation of cameras, how they are as a person, what they are doing in the real world. They have another aspects also, and I really don't think so that uh, when you are in an environment like that, you can be really natural, because there are a lot of people which you are not friendly. Then it's just that maybe your survival receptors get on, and they'll make you conscious all the time throughout the 3 or 4 months duration. I really don't know how much they spend time on that particular house or set maybe. So this is one thing, and which I have just learned. I think so. I've just learned that everybody can have. There is no right and wrong. It's very deep inside me that there is no right and wrong, and it's only because if you are going to take anything which if you are going to take any topic and take opinions from anybody, all the opinions will cancel out if you are going to take suggestion from enough people. So today I've also text to a lot of people um, for my podcast, for my podcast interview. I'm just trying to be consistent with the podcast, and tomorrow I'm going to make up my setup. This lighting issue will be solved after that. I know I'm looking worst in this lighting. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, it will be good after that. I hope so. It will be good again. And what else? Today I really have a great day, and not a lot of things happened, but in terms of productivity, I've done a lot today, and which I'm really feeling good. That when you actually defeat your ability, defeat procrastination, when you actually defeat procrastination, it actually feels great. And how I have defeated procrastination, through action. The only way you can actually defeat procrastination, to stop, the only way you can stop procrastinating is through action. Take action at that point of time. Doesn't matter, just take a pen and paper, write it down. That's also a form of action, but it is going to it is impacting you already very deeply. If it is impacting you psychologically very deep in your subconscious, it is giving that one thing is giving a message to your subconscious that okay, I'm doing something about it. Release good chemicals inside your brain, and that is going to motivate you for doing more and more and more actions. So just take actions whenever you are feeling again that whenever for the next time you will feel stuck, just take any action. The first thing which is going to come in your mind, just do that. Okay. This is one tip. So, and what else I've learned today? Let me no. I'm not actually not I've tell you everything for today. Whenever you are seeing this, I wish you clarity. Yeah, one more thing. I just want to make a comment. Clarity. This is just for me. Confidence is the worst substitute for clarity. If you don't have clarity, the worst thing you can use is confidence. There is no such substitute of clarity. Don't if you lack clarity, please don't place confidence on that place, because you will be in trouble. So just with this comment, this is something which I want to see at any time in my life. And thank you for seeing this if you are viewing this far. And I'm really thankful to you on whenever platform you are seeing this. Thank you very much. Just make a comment, let me know, and for sure I will text you back. I will reply you for sure. Thank you very much for seeing this so far. Wish you a great life. Thank you.